Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn off the vibration on your Motorola Moto G14. For that, you want to go to your settings and then we want to go to sound and vibration, and we have a general overview here about the media volume, call volume, ring volume, notification volume, and alarm volume. We also have like do not disturb, phone ringtone, sim 1, sim 2, and then we have vibrations and haptics. If we click on that, we can turn that off in general, or we can also make some settings here: ring vibration, vibrate first, then ring gradually, notification vibration, alarm vibration, and then we have interactive haptics. So the touch feedback and the media vibration is what we want to turn off in the first place, because if you think about it, if your phone vibrates every time you touch something closes or opens or whatever else, that drains your battery a lot faster. So we want to turn that off. If you like that haptic feedback, you can totally leave that on if you enjoy that. But if you make your settings here, you can just go back, use your phone as normal, and then you don't or do have the vibration haptics on or off. So that's how you can turn off the vibration on your Motorola Moto G14. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.